Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you guys on how to create a YouTube channel ad for free without any watermarks, and all you need is Photoshop, a Photoshop software called Adobe Photoshop. So without any waste of time, we'll go to our Photoshop. As you can see, it's open, and just go to create new. I'm going to create new, and okay, a new document form is going to pop up. When you pop up, guys, just click on anything that you see. Just click on, okay, this is my recent work that I was doing for my YouTube channel ad. So just click here, and YouTube permits 2560 times 1440, right? So the width, when you come up here, right, the width is 2560, and go to the height is 1440. Alright, so guys, when you type that in, it automatically changes the size of what is going to appear in your Photoshop. Alright, so if you want to rename this file, okay, we'll rename it as lesson, right? Okay, so now, okay, coming down here, you choose your color, right? The color you want, like the background color you want. And guys, sorry to say this, but when you choose your background color, it stays permanent, it doesn't change. So do your choice and your selection here carefully before you click on create. So I'm going for the blue, so I'll click on OK, and I'll go to create. Okay, I'm gonna go to create. As you can see, it automatically give me the size that YouTube wants, right? So the first thing to do is like go to our left corner to where you see T, this T here, you click on the T, then you click on anywhere on the blank space, just click there, and voila, it pop up, and we're gonna write Isaac, and drag this down, click and drag that down, and click on somewhere else, click on somewhere else, and we'll type tips, and we'll drag that like this. Alright, so guys, you can see automatically Photoshop takes my previous work and like takes the properties of my previous work and apply it to this work, right? Okay, so the underline you see here, I got that underline from when you go to your right hand corner, you see the A character. Just click there, and you can mess around with the text. Okay, so there are different font types, but I use imprint empty shadow, and you can change the color to white, whatever. As you can see, I've changed the color to white. You can mess around with few options here, guys, and you can mess around with few options. As you can see, Isaac's tips, guys, that's simple thumbnail for YouTube if you're a beginner. I hope it helped you guys. So what you're gonna do right now is you go to file, and you go to save as, and not save, you go to save as. Save implements, you are saving it as a Photoshop document, but save as gives you options. So when you go to save as, and you go to save as type, and you go to JPEG format, and when you click there, you go to save, and you go to save. I love the maximum. You can mess around with your option, but I've just set mine to a default way, and when you're done, you see it appears on your desktop depending on destination you set it to be. Okay, so Isaac tips, and the next thing to do is to log into your YouTube channel. As you can see, it's my YouTube channel here, and I'll click on customize channel, and when I'm on customize channel, I'll come to the channel at itself. As you can see, there's something here like a pen at your right hand corner. When you click there, it show you two things: edit links and edit channel ads. So I'm going to edit channel ads, and I'm going to select a photo from my computer, and when it pops up, choose a path. Is desktop, so what I'm calling is lesson. So we'll upload the file, and when you're done, upload the file and sorry. Okay, so guys, when I upload the file, it's gonna show how it appears on the desktop TV and mobile, guys. So that's the end of the tutorial, guys. So please, if this tutorial helped you guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, guys, and comment down below your question, or comment down below any prop you have, and I promise I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Peace out, guys. Bye. See you next tutorial.